Okay, I'm just going to set the tractor up for digging now, so to talk you through how you would set the backhoe up to dig a hole. So the first thing to do, it's really important that your loader is on the floor. You need to put the loader down onto the ground and just put just a little bit of pressure on it. You don't want the front wheels coming off the ground, you just want a little bit of pressure, and that enables the backhoe to have something to lever against. And then whilst you're on the tractor, you can pull the seat that you're sitting on all the way forwards. Of course, you can do that afterwards if you like, pull it all the way forwards as much as you can. Put your handbrake on. Now you can fold the seat at the back here down. And this seat has adjustment forwards and backwards, so you can set the position that you want to be at. And also, depending on your height, you've got an adjustment up and down here as well. So if you're a bit taller, you can set it a little bit taller. Get onto the machine, got a nice handrail here. First thing you do, make sure you've unlocked everything. There's locks for the feet and for the arm. Make sure everything's unlocked, and then put your feet down so they're nice and stable. Again, don't lift your rear wheels off the floor. A lot of people do that. You just want a little bit of weight on the tractor, but still have the wheels there as stability. And then you've got to set your engine speed, and it depends how fast you want to dig, really. The slower the engine speed, the more control you're going to get over your bucket movements. And when you're first starting out, that's probably the best way of doing it. But we'll see the difference if we dig a hole here. We'll do that very well. And you can see that the machine stays nice and stable. You shouldn't be rocking around everywhere with your feet down. Now this is an example of where you might want a bit more engine revs occasionally. With a few more engine revs, everything cranks around a bit more, so you'll be able to clear the bucket a bit easier by doing that. I would probably dig at something like this sort of speed. What you want to try and do is or if you've got the engine revs up, try and do more than one lever at the same time, because that then means using the oil in two different ways that slows the single movement down. Step back. Rider in the air. Handbrake on.